Oh my, what brilliant fall color. Sometimes the beauty in nature, it is just magnificent. Hi everyone. So the brilliant fall color that I am in awe of this year is the show that my Muskogee Crape Myrtles that they are putting on this fall. Now I have grown these trees in previous gardens, but never have I seen such a vibrant orange. It is really standing out in my garden this fall. And crepe myrtles, especially those with American Indian names, are known to perform very well in Central Texas and many other parts of the country. So my Muskogee Crape Myrtle is no exception. Muskogee Crape Myrtle is a zone 6 to 9 tree. It will become about 20 to 30 feet in height, 15 to 20 feet in width. It has decent drought tolerance once established. So in the first year or two, maybe even 3, depending upon how much rain you receive, you want to stick your finger down near the tree. Go down about 3 inches, and if it's dry, give it a nice, slow, deep watering. It's not really finicky about soil, and it will start its bloom in late spring to summer. The blooms are a lovely lavender pink. You're going to want to have it planted in full sun. Even in hot climates, it can take full sun. Here in Central Texas, the Muskogee Crape Myrtle will bloom from May through October. So in terms of care, I feed the crepe myrtles something like holly tone sometime in late March to the very early part of April. These plants actually prefer the soil to be slightly acidic, and my soil skews towards alkaline. Well, it is alkaline. So some type of fertilizer or treatment, etc., anything that you would give to acidic plants will work well for crepe myrtles if you are planting it where your soil is alkaline. So putting it in full sun, making sure it has water, feeding it in the spring before it starts to bloom, and it will reward you with gorgeous lavender pink blooms. Now, one thing it can get aphids, it can get scale. I find that for aphids, if I put the hose, the sprayer on jet, I can knock off a lot of aphids that way. Or you can use horticultural oil, neem oil, insecticidal soap. When these trees are dormant, that's when you want to go in and prune out any crossing or dead branches. If you want to limb it up more, that's a great time to do that. So one thing I want to say, my little channel is beginning to grow, but I have a lot more to show and share with you all. And I like to read the comments as well to see what your experiences are and your input. So if you like this content, please click like, subscribe, notification, or share this video with anyone you know who would enjoy this content. So now with that out of the way, just to let you know, I do have a conundrum. And my conundrum is my garden looks as neurotic as the weather can be here in Central Texas. So in bloom right now, I have salvia. To the left of the salvia, I have Russian sage. Behind the Russian sage and salvia to the right, I have roses that are in bloom. I also have veronica in bloom in various places. And so all of this pink, blue, purple, all these tones are throughout my yard. And then I have these standout orange leaves on these crepe myrtles. I have 6 of them in my backyard, 6 Muskogee Crape Myrtles. And so I'm thinking, well, what am I going to do? I can integrate plants like, for example, Amsonia that will not clash with my blues and purple while adding some more fall colors, so a yellow to complement these gorgeous leaves that I have right now on these crepe myrtles. Or I can just enjoy this fall show that will likely last for about 3 weeks in total. So do nothing, or I can buy plants. I think you all know what I'm going to do. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day in your garden. Bye.